Hi, my name is Prince Annan, founder of Confana. Confana is a platform for building autonomous AI agents that can work for you in real time. Whether you are running a business or managing everyday tasks, Confana helps you automate repetitive work so you can focus on what matters the most. With Confana, you can deploy AI voice agents that answer phone calls and have natural conversations with people in your local languages, such as Twi and Ga. You can also build browser agents that browse the web on your behalf, search for products, and even add items to your Amazon cart. Beyond that, Confana can automate many of your daily workflows, helping you save time and get more done with intelligent AI agents. So let's see how Confana works by starting with the building. So let's start by looking at the studio section. So the studio section contains our text-to-speech model and our speech-to-text model that has been trained on our local language. So currently we support 600 plus languages including Akan. So we can start by seeing how our text-to-speech model sounds. But before that, I would like to talk about the emotional tags here. Before generating an audio from text, you can add emotions to it by introducing emotional tags. So you can have a hello and you bring a laughter tag there, which means that when you say a hello, when the text to speech generates an audio, it should say hello and it should laugh. So you can add emotions to your voice agents that you are going to build with Confana. So since our text to speech model supports that, you can add it to your voice agent. So when it's speaking to someone on the phone, it can laugh like how a human being does. And you can also add a clone of your voice to it. So there's a voice clone section where you can clone your voice, and then your voice agent is going to speak like you using your natural voice. So yeah, in the next video I'm going to show you, you are going to hear the text-to-speech model in action.
Ɔyarefo biara a ɔkɔ ayaresabea wɔ Ghana hia enidie bammɔ na ɔhwɛ pa a ɛbɛma ne ho atɔ ne ntɛm. Sesei ɛnam Patients Charter, ayarefo wɔ kwan sɛ wonya dɔkotafo ne nɛɛsefo hɔ ntie sepa. Na wɔn ho aduru kɔ a yɛde ɛba wɔn yare ano ɛne sika dodo a ɛbɛbɔ wɔn. Sika fapem te sɛ National Health Insurance Scheme aboa paa ama anipa pii etumi akɔ ayaresabea sika nti woni nyinasoɔ.
MTN Mobile Money ayɛ bayankra adwuma bi a ɛho hia paa wɔ Ghana sikakram titiriw ma nipa a woni sika korabea aketua biara ɛnam asɛmti so ma ɔmanfoɔ betumi de wɔn sika akorabu.
Welcome back. So I'd like to show you how Confana can be used to build an AI agent that can work for you. But before that, I would like to show you the phone number section, which contains the phone numbers that we are giving to our AI agents to use in making phone calls. So you can see this number here. So let's build the agent. So to build the agent, you go to the agent section, you create a new agent. I can call it Confana test. That's the name of the agent. And then you can build the agent using AI, but we'll just skip and build it manually. So this is our start node. We can change the start node to a trigger node, which is triggered by some particular action or scheduling time. But I'll start with the start node, and then we'll add a node, a sub agent node. So this is our sub agent node. You can have multiple sub agents that are going to perform an action or work for you based on the goal you have specified, and you can connect sub agents to each other based on some particular condition that you have described. But let me delete all of it. Or you can also add a phone number transfer to your sub agents. that when it finds it difficult to answer a question, it can hand over to an actual human being by calling a human being phone number. So when a user is asking the agent questions that the agent can answer, it can forward the call to a human being. So right now what we are going to create is we are creating a simple chatbot that is going to send an SMS to welcome a new user on our platform. So this is the goal of the agent. Compose a warm, friendly welcome message for the recipient using the phone number I provide. Present the message to me for review first, and do not send it until I explicitly confirm. Once I approve the message, send it to the specified phone number. So that's the goal of this sub agent here. So I'm going to give it access to a tool that it can use in taking action, and that will be an SMS, or if you like, you can use Gmail to send the welcome message by just connecting your Gmail account. So I can use this account. We are not going to do that. So we are going to use Muri to send an SMS to the user to welcome them. So I'm going to attach my API key from Muri. And I'll save the attach. So now our agent is having access to the Muri email to SMS to, and can be used to send SMS. So let's test our agent via chat. So send the welcome message to so you should send the welcome message to my number. So there's a debug section here where you'll be able to debug everything. So before I send a welcome message, I would like to confirm the context with you. Here is a draft message. That's it. Please review it. I won't send it until confirmation. So yeah, send it. So it's using the send SMS to send the message. So it's done sending the message. The welcome message has been successfully sent to this, and I've received it on my phone, which I'll share here. Good. So the next thing is, I would like you to see the voice AI agents also in action. I'm about to send a phone call to our agent, okay? So this is our agent, it's knowledge base and everything. So let's send a phone call to it. Let me just record my screen here. Let me record my screen. You can see.
Hello, how can I help you today?
Okay. So what services do you people provide?
Let me look into that. Moose Clinic provides general consultation, outpatient care, child health, women's health, and chronic disease management, among other services.
Okay, so if I want to book an appointment, when do I come in?
Let me see. We're open Monday to Friday from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. and Saturday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. You can walk in or book an appointment during these hours.
Okay, thank you very much. So I'll let you know when I'm ready.
Let me see. You're welcome. Feel free to ready to book an appointment.
Okay, bye.
Akwaba ye Moose Clinic customer care me wo ha se meboa wo kire me nia wo hia
Ejuman din the same.
ye frɛ ye clinic no Moose Clinic
Hofa na Moose Clinic ewo.
me pa wo kyɛw ɛyɛ den na ɛyi wo meboa wo
Me say Hefa na Moose Clinic ewo.
Moose Clinic wo Adenta Accra
Ejuma ben na mudi wo Moose Clinic. Adie ben na moye wo Moose Clinic.
ye wo niema bebree general consultation pediatric lab service ne pharmacy
Nti me pese me book appointment adie ben na menye.
wo pese wo bu appointment ɛna wo din the same
Me din de John.
John ɛna bra wo pese wo ba
Me pese member Monday 22nd of April 2026. I would also like to talk about some other things, which is the WhatsApp. You can add your phone number and your chatbot will be attached to your phone number and can use to respond messages on WhatsApp by just scanning a QR code, which will show here. You can make your AI agent contact a list of people and close deals for you by uploading a CSV file or Excel file containing their name and their phone number, and the agent you have created is going to call them. It depends on the particular agent you have created. Okay, so depending on the agent you have created, that's what to be used for. And then you can get an analysis of the conversations between the AI and the human being, or depending on your workflow, you get an analysis here. So there's the browser agent, which I'll talk about in this video. At the browser section, what we are going to do is they are going to write some instructions. Now go to eBay and add maybe a NVIDIA RTX to our cart. Okay, and then we will select Cloud Sonnet. That's what we want to use, and yeah. So currently the session has started and the browser agent has been activated and it's working for us. You can see that it has gone to eBay. You can see the execution steps showing here. You can see whatever it's doing. You can see how it's performing, how it has done the search, NVIDIA RTX GPU. You can see it working. You can see that. So yeah, that's it for like browser agents, and you can see how it works and how it's doing the stacks. So I'll just stop it now. You can see that it has clicked on the add to cart section. You can see that additional service, this one, and yeah, so we'll just stop it here. And also you can add widgets to your website to create chatbots for your website.